Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, and in case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. It's somewhere up here. That way you'll be notified whenever I post new videos, which more videos are coming your way and closer together. So yeah, don't forget to hit the bell icon. My brain is like gone today. I don't know what's going on. Sorry about that, but it's been like that all day. Anyways, so I just came back from running some errands, which is why I look like this. This is like my cool mommy style, which is just throwing on a hat because I'm having a bad hair day. What's new? And all black everything as far as my clothes, and just a little lip gloss, a little mascara, and out the door I go. So let me know what your mommy style is down in the comment box. Anyways, I just came back from running some errands, and the main places that I hit up, or at least the relevant places for this video, is Dollar Spot in Target, or what is this, Spot's Playground or something like that. And I hit up the Dollar Tree, which I absolutely love. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to let me know down in the comment box too, and thumbs up this video. That way I'll know kind of what you guys are feeling. Anyways, from Target, I think everything that I got from Target is going to be for my planner. I am so heavily into my planner still. I know it's kind of, I feel like it's died down a little bit here on YouTube, but if you guys are still interested in seeing videos like that, like how I decorate my planner, how I use it, all of that, just let me know and I'll be happy to share it with you guys. Just leave a comment or something, and yeah, just get it to me somehow. And the other place was Dollar Tree, and I got some organizational stuff, some craft stuff, some stuff for Jake's Valentine's, like some little ideas that I have for his class's Valentine, which is coming up really fast. I feel like already we're halfway through January. Crazy, I know. Anyway, let me stop rambling and let's get into this video. Alright, so let's just start with Target, just because it's so much less stuff at Target. Yeah, let's just start there. So the first thing that I got from Target are these little puffy heart thingamajobs. These were only $1, and they have beautiful like pink and gold, and I just thought that I could just make my own, like, I don't know if you guys can see that with the glare. Figured if I just put these on a paper clip, then they'll make cute little clips for my planner. You know what I mean? And I got 25 of them for $1, and if not, I can use these for crafts for Jake, for Jake's little Valentine's Day thing. Oh, if you're new here, Jake is my son, by the way. Okay, so the next thing is these 3-count highlighters, and these were also $1, and they're mini, and the colors are gorgeous. And I will open this because they're gonna go in my little planner stash thing after this. So this is what they look like, and I thought the little design on them was awesome. Here's the pink one. It's little lipsticks, and I love my lipsticks. I love my cosmetics. Then the like teal one. This has little heart-shaped sunglasses. And look at how tiny this is. Like, it's tiny, so it's perfect. It'll fit anywhere. And then the purple one has like little daisies. But are these really daisies? Because aren't all daisies white? Well, they have little flowers on them. I know that much. And this is just in the purple color. So I thought that was awesome. You get 3 highlighters for $1, and they're tiny, so they can fit just about anywhere. Like, what's not to love, right? So the next thing I got was page flags, and these page flags are super cute too, and they have this whole like pastel but still bright, if that makes any sense, theme going on right now, and I am loving it. And these, a lot of these have either rose gold or gold on them, and I love that, so it works for me. So these little page flags say don't forget. This one says plan on it. Then it says happy things to do, and then the last one says noted. So me being the scatterbrain that I am, and I just showed you guys that I was totally a scatterbrain, I love stuff like that. It has 20 sheets of each, so excuse me, it has 20 sheets of each, so I'll get a lot of use out of this, and for $1, again, you can't beat that. Okay, so now this is a sticker book that I also got for $1. It includes 12 sheets, and I love this because, I mean, look at this sheet alone. This is all gold, and it says vacation, workout, birthday, meeting, holiday deadline. So it has a bunch, and these are awesome to keep me on track, like for birthdays, or you know, my family has a vacation coming up, which I'm super excited about, and I plan to vlog it. So if you guys are here for vlogs, let me know. And work out, because I know I keep paying for my gym membership, guys, and I'm not even going. This is like horrible. Anyway, and then the next one has a few like clear tabs on there, and then some of them say important, noted, yeah, and then these are like to do. These are stuff that you can like label like dividers with.
You're looking good.
Thank you. That's Jakey. He said I'm looking good. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It has white and black and gold, and all of these work for $1. It brings 12 sheets. So bombed out. All right, and then the last thing that I picked up from the dollar spot was these four. Yeah, I got 4 sticker books, and they were all so gorgeous that I just could not. This one has like the beautiful sorry, this page is like all beat up, but it has the beautiful like marble, and it has some like gold, is it embossing, is that what that's called? I think that's what that's called. And then the leopard print with the pink and the gold. It's just, it's gorgeous. It has a ton of stuff, and it has like headers for the months. It has smaller ones for the months, and then it has little like things that you can use. This one kind of goes with the other one. Just a quick little, can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can. Don't mind my super ratchet nails. I have to do my nails. I just haven't got to it yet. And then the last one is my personal favorite, because I love the colors in here. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. So this one says like things to do when bills are due, find your purpose, check and done, and then it has like, you know, like the weekly, like Monday, Tuesday, whatever. And then it also has this, which you can track how you're feeling, like track your mood and stuff. So this will really work if you have like bullet journals or anything like that. And it's just, you know, more of those, and lots of little like inspirational things that you can put on there. All right, so that's it for the dollar spot. I told you guys I didn't really get that much there. Now at Dollar Tree, however, I got a bunch of stuff, so bear with. I'm just gonna start grabbing stuff. So the first thing that I pulled out was this 8x10 photo frame. I did a mini version of a vision board. It's like on a regular printer sheet of paper. I actually used Canva to make it, so I wouldn't have to be, you know, wasting paper and cutting stuff out. I don't like to really cut through my magazines. But anyways, it'll fit perfectly. So I'm going to put it in this frame. And this was only $1. Can you believe it? Look how pretty it is. And I'm going to put it here just so this is somewhere where I sit every single day. So it'll force me to have to, you know, look at my vision board. Because I feel like if I don't see it every day, like I'm a visual person, if I don't look at it every day, like out of sight, out of mind. Even though there are some of my own goals, like just trust me, out of sight, out of mind. Okay, and then the next thing, these are for my planner as well, to make like shaker cards or just for things that I need in between. These are the self-laminating sheets. These both bring 5. I have never tried these, but I see a lot of people like talk about these. Both of them say no machine required, which is kind of what drew me to them. But and then they're different brands, so I don't know. I think this is just a Greenbrier brand, which is just a Dollar Tree brand. And then this is Job, which is also a Dollar Tree brand. So I don't know why the different packaging, but we'll see which one is better. This cart, a makeup cart, kind of like the IKEA, what is it, Rust Cag or whatever, but mine actually came from Michaels, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna be putting all my makeup on it just because it'll be easier, you know, to wheel around. And I picked these up. These are desk organizers. And the reason I picked these up is because you see all the slots. I figured I could put palettes on here and it would be awesome. Like, kind of like that. So I picked these up. These are great finds because if you go to like Office Depot or whatever, Staples. Oh, excuse me, I have the hiccups really bad. Sorry, I promise I'm not burping. It's hiccups. If you go to like one of these office supply stores, they're so expensive, or so much more expensive than $1 at least. And I love me a bargain. Just saying. Oh, I picked up this reusable tote because look how cute it is. It says beep boop. It's like they have this whole robot theme. I think they had this last year. They have this whole robot theme going for Valentine's Day, and I just couldn't resist. Like, I like going to like Aldi and stuff like that, and this way I have my own bag to take with me. So the next thing that I got were these two wall calendars, one for here, one for home, and one for work. I haven't decided which one yet. This is what they look like. This one says Wild Heart and Free Spirit, and then this one says Love the Journey. And then on the back you can see all the gorgeousness. Look at how beautiful all of these are. And even if I don't use them as calendars, I'll cut them and use them as planner covers, which is kind of what I was thinking when I got them. Then I realized I probably do need a calendar here and a calendar at work. This was also for me, but I told Jake it was going to be for him. These are little googly eyes, but instead of eyes, like instead of the black circle, they're little hearts. So they're like puffy and awesome. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I will figure it out. For Jake, he picked this up himself. They're little foam stickers, and they're like the candy heart things. The heart candies. And so I'm going to sprinkle a few of these in these little gift bags that we're making for his class. And then there's a lot of like allergies, so I don't want to pick up any chocolate for anyone in his class. So I picked up these Tiger Pops. I remember growing up on Tiger Pops. So one of you remember, these are the strawberry and cream flavored, and they're little hearts. And it brings 22, which is perfect because that's more than the amount of kids in his class. I love getting fake flowers from the Dollar Tree, but only when I see like they have the good ones. And these to me are the good ones. I love hydrangeas like in general. And I picked up 3, and look at how like full and gorgeous this looks. I'm going to make a little desk decoration too. I brought vase or vase, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to cut them down and kind of just put them on top, and I think it's going to be gorgeous. Right? $1, $4. Awesome decoration. So if you guys want to see how I do that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to film that for you. Alright, so like I was saying about the bags, these are the bags that I picked for him. These are the little sock monkeys, and it says love on them. Speaking of my son, he hates the taste of mint. Like, he doesn't like candy cane. He hates anything that's minty, period, and that includes toothpaste. And it's like, in the morning, it's such a drag for him to brush his teeth. Like, he'll brush his teeth obviously, but he hates doing it because the whole time he's like gagging. So I get him these toothpaste. These are by Colgate. This one is called Strawberry Smash. Right now he has the watermelon one, so once that one is up, whenever I see them I just grab them, and yeah, it's like a gel kind of toothpaste, and it works awesome because now he doesn't like dread brushing his teeth. Okay, so some more stuff that we got for him. Oh, this was from Target. I forgot to show you guys these. It says Amazing Eraser. I can't ever say that word. Amazing Eraser. Watch mistakes disappear. And I love these big erasers. They make me very nostalgic. So I used to use them all the time. I like writing in pencil. So then I got him this fitness jump rope because he's really into jump roping, and anything that'll tire him out I will try, especially for $1. So this is from my son, and his favorite color is green. For his little bags too, we got these cute little sticker boxes. This brings 18 a piece. So and they say really cute things, like it says Monster Crush and You're Scary Cool and I Heart You. So each one has like a whole little set of stickers inside each individual boxes. So I thought it was something cool that the kids could have their own like little sets of stickers, and whatever's left over, mommy gets to keep. Same thing with this. These are pencils, and we're gonna put these in there as well. And they're just printed. It says Monster Crush, XOXO. There's little bears on it. Happy Valentine's Day. Cars and doggies and little kitty cats and all those things that kids love. I also got for their little baggies, I got them, excuse me, these little erasers, and he picked these two out, these two designs. They had tons and tons of designs. So if you're looking for like a class Valentine or something like that, definitely hit up your local Dollar Tree because they're bound to have something. So something else that I picked up also for that like cart, which again, I don't think I mentioned it, but if you guys want me to film how I organize this makeup cart, let me know and I'll be happy to film that for you. But I got this little thing. It's actually for pencils. It says Spinning Desk Organizer, but I figured I could put like brushes or things, whatever. I don't know. it's pretty shallow for brushes, but I'll find something to put in here, and then you could just, it twirls. So I thought that was pretty awesome too, and space saving and all that jazz. Now the last thing that I wanted to show you guys, I'm really excited about. Every year they have these like handmade cards, and this was my favorite. I love hot air balloons. Not that I would ever get in one because I'm not going that high off the ground without a seatbelt. But this is by the brand Voila, and it says love is in the air, and it has this like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's 3D. This is like 3D, and it says sending you a heart full of love this Valentine's Day. So it's really beautiful. I'm gonna confess something. I'm going to take this and cut it out and put it on my planner because I love it. I love this whole everything about okay, so I think that's it. I'm sorry if I was like a little scatterbrained, but I'm tired, and that usually tends to happen. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this with your friends. And what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, subscribe, like, leave your comments down below if you're interested in seeing anything more close up. I'll be happy to do that for you. Any comments, questions, concerns, all that, put it down below. I will try to put as much stuff as I can in the description box, but this is Dollar Tree. Like, you either grab it when you see it or you don't get it at all. So yeah, that's kind of the way that goes. And what else was I going to say? Oh, I don't know. I don't remember. Anyways, okay guys, until next time, bye guys.